Showbiz, nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Media ko ng Cinesilip Festival and we have...
EJ Halyorina from the film Dream Boy.
Yes, Dream Boy, yan yung inaabangan ng mga, syempre, no, fan din ni Tony Labrusca. Ito pala ang revelasyon at ito na ang pelikula na ipapalabas. Kailan?
Yes. Ipapalabas po ito under Cinesilip Film Festival on October 22 to 28 in selected Ayala Cinemas. So yeah, watch it. Watch it.
Yeah. And I love her. I love her look. Tingnan mo. Grabe din talaga.
Thank
All
you.
black and
Yeah, I think
kitang-kita.
I just want to show a glimpse of what our film is.
Yeah.
Our film is very visual. Aside from the story itself, I think just like a lot of my favorite films, masarap siyang panoorin, entertaining, and since this is Cinesilip, nakakalibog.
Ayun na nga. And napanood ko yung teaser nyo. Isa siya sa mga parang maganda siyang panoorin na unang-una. Ayun, may ganun siyang experience eh. Lalo-lalo sa mga fans mo and fans ni Tony. Di ba? And yung poster itself kakaiba din. Kahit wala ka dun. Parang...
I was there. I'm one of the
nga,
stickers. Yeah.
Ayun na nga. Kung
Nandito ako
titignan
sa-
mo talaga, nasa gitna pala siya. Dun sa malaking mukha ni Tony.
Yeah.
Ayokong tanungin kasi kung anong role mo. Gusto ko panoorin na lang nila.
Exactly, yes.
Diba?
I think in the next few days, if ipalabas na yung full trailer namin,
Diba?
I think
Teaser pa lang
makikita
yung
nyo.
kanina, right?
Yeah, teaser pa lang. And hindi pa siya buo.
Yeah. Dun pa lang hindi
So
pa buo.
yeah,
pero
hindi pa buo. And
outstanding.
it's just like glimpses
Glimpse.
of the scenes na kinuhanan namin. And yeah, I'm just really happy that kinaya ko to.
Finally.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, and I mean, among my contemporaries, way back when I started, I think ako lang ata yung nangahas
Diba, out of the box talaga.
na I think maging part ng ganitong klaseng film festival or ganitong klaseng pelikula. But I'm really happy because like even though a lot of trans people here in the industry has a hard time na magkaroon ng work, I think it's just a blessing to have Direk Rodina as a collaborator, you know, also a friend, you know, working with her from Mamu, alam mo yun.
Kasi ito na,
I'm just really happy na nagmamature din yung character ko sa mga pelikula namin together. And
very challenging din.
yeah.
For sure. Ito naman, since pinag-uusapan din yung transgender and all, may issue ka din si Meme Vice ngayon na parang okay lang daw siyang tawagan siyang sir or ma'am. What is your stand about it?
I think hindi ka naman mamamatay kung if you're gonna address someone the way they want to be addressed. Yung issue na yan when it comes to like pronouns or like
Paano ka tawag?
kung paano ka tatawagin, I think ano siya eh, wait. Biglang lumalim yung naisip ko. Wait. I think yung pronouns and how people want to be addressed, I think di ka naman mamamatay kapag binigay mo na yung maliit na bagay na yon. Alam mo yon? I mean, ang tanong ko lang, sa pagmamatigas nyo, na sa tingin nyo yung sinasabing, yung ina-address nyo ay this or that, I mean like, wala na, kumita ba kayo? Or like, guminhawa ba ang buhay natin? I mean,
Diba? Ang dami
kamusta yung
issue.
flood control?
Yeah.
Di ba? I mean, ganun lang. And ang point of view ko dyan, I mean, ikaw, I asked you a while ago, what's your name? Of course,
Yeah.
I'm gonna call you your name.
Tama.
I'm not gonna call you other people's names. So, ganun lang siya. Ganun lang kasimple. Kunyari, nung papunta akong college, I have friends na pag college na ako, I want ganito na yung name na itatawag sa akin. Ganun na yun. I mean, like, it's just like that.
Very simple. Ayan.
Yeah.
Ano masasabi mo naman na isa siya sa mga parang tumayong artista o public figure during the Trillion March Rally? Nakita mo ba yung speech niya?
Yeah. I think lahat ng mga issues sa society natin, it's interconnected. So yung gender issues, hindi yan nakahihiwalay sa mga ibang issue ng lipunan. Kasi sa lahat naman ng I think sa lahat ng aspect of I think any industry, you have queer people there. So I mean like, alam mo yun, just acknowledgement. I don't know.
Very open na kasi talaga, di ba? Working with Meme Vice. If ever given a chance.
Yes, of course. Yeah, ito pala hindi ko nasabi. I think Meme Vice is a very important legend, icon. Ganon. To be here right now, especially here in the Philippines. You know, yeah, I mean like, tinatanggap tayo. But I mean like, hanggang saan yung pagtanggap nila? Ganon lang yun eh. Yes, alam mo yun, may isang vice ganda. Pero hindi natatapos just for meme, just to exist. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ako na lumalaban din siya for all of us. You know, that kind of voice is very helpful because issues ng mga marginalized community, dahil yung mga issues ng mga marginalized community ay anong tawag dito? Issue din na wala yung ano ko si Tony kasi nawala yung
Nagbabay siya.
so alam mo yun, yung issue ng gender and everything magkaka intertwine lahat yan eh. So hindi lang natatapos yung laban na pinaglalaban ng community, na happy kami na nandun si Meme, you know, like to be in front of everyone for us. Kasi lahat ng issue ng mga marginalized community or in society, it's basically life and death. You know, so
Pilipinas na to.
bakit isa lang yung issue na magfo-focus ka? 'Di ba? Kung pinoproblema mo yung pronouns ng ibang tao, why not problemahin mo din yung mga kurak? Something like that. Alam mo yung priorities.
Yeah. Pero in other naman, hopefully no maka-work mo din si Meme Vice.
Yes, of course.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yung
Fantasy yan ng I was part of her MMK episode. Yeah.
parang nung ano pa,
Way back. Yeah, hindi pa ako nagta-transition.
going bulilit pa. Or medyo
Several
pa-
years after going Bulilit.
Wow.
Yeah, pinalabas yung buhay niya sa MMK. I portrayed her best friend niya nung bata siya. Yun yung character ko.
Okay.
Always when I was alam mo yun, when I was really active years back, as in like I accept every gay best friend character.
And now you're here, parang ibang role naman na to. And yes,
To be
think na
to be
hindi-
leading
Yeah. Exactly.
films, I think of my contemporaries nung sa Going Bulilit, ilan na lang kami maarte. Some of them,
Ka-year mo ba si Katrin Bernardo?
si Kat, I think later batch na siya sa akin eh. Ako yung original batch.
Kiray.